Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can propose a new ruler in Europa Universalis 5. So just basically go to the diplomacy, or you can just click F5, go and select actions right here, and you'll see influence actions right here, and you'll see that you can propose a ruler. So it will offer a member of our dynasty to become their new ruler. So if we select, we can select a country. And as you can see, it shows that castle has a regency, Castile does not have an heir, and etc. So if you can choose, select one of those countries, and you will be able to propose a ruler. So this is for this video. If this video is helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.